Hello Navy soldiers, I hope you people are doing well. So I'm back with another good news, and this time good news is coming out from BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. They have given the notification for the post of trainee engineer and project engineer. So within 3 to 4 minutes I will be giving you the entire detail of this particular notification. Stay with me. So my friends, look at here. Bharat Electronics Limited, Navratna company, and remember, whatever the post they have notified, they are on contract basis. So look at here, beta. Trainee engineer, number of posts are 308. Upper age limit as on 1st of August 2021 is 25 years, right? And look at here, for the first year, remuneration per month will be 25,000 rupees per month, and then you will be having the increment of 3,000 rupees per month for the next years. Project engineer, number of posts are 203. Upper age limit as on 1st of August 2021 is 28. For the first year, you will be getting 35,000 rupees per month, and then you will be having the increment of 5,000 rupees per month for the next years. Okay, so let us move forward. Let us see further. Yes. Now, beta, this is very important. This is very important. Look at here. For trainee engineer, you will be engaged for an initial period of 1 year. First, they will be giving you the contract for 1 year, which is extended for another 2 years up to a maximum of 3 years based on project requirement and individual performance. That means first they will be giving you the agreement for 1 year, and then depending on the project requirement and your performance, individual performance, they will be extending to next 2 years. That is for trainee engineer. Now let us see for project engineer. Project engineers will be engaged for an initial period of 2 years, which may be extended for another 2 years up to a maximum of 4 years based on project requirement and individual performance. What is the meaning of this? For project engineers, initial agreement will be of 2 years, and then they can extend for another 2 years depending on the project requirement and individual performance. Okay, chalo. Qualification, yes, let us see the disciplines which are eligible. Electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, communication, mechanical, electrical and electronics. And the most important thing, first class is the indicated qualification for general, OBC and EWS candidates. Okay, चलो, let us go to the next page. यहां पर देख लेते हैं एक बार. Okay, look at here. Post qualification experience as on 1st of August 2021. Look at here. For trainee engineer, even the fresh engineering graduates can apply, who will be having the provisional degree certificate or engineering degree certificate at the time of joining. What is that probable date of joining? October 2021. As far as a project engineer post is concerned, you should have 2 years relevant post qualification इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस. 2 साल का इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड है, एंड दे हैव क्लियरली टोल्ड कैंडिडेट्स विद टीचिंग रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस नीड नॉट अप्लाई. जिनका टीचिंग में एक्सपीरियंस है या किसी रिसर्च में एक्सपीरियंस है, दे नीड नॉट टू अप्लाई. ओके, चलो सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर एक बार देख लेते हैं. लेट अस सी द सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर माय फ्रेंड्स. Look at here. There is no written exam. There is no written exam, only interview. Now how are they going to call for interview? Look at here. 75% will be allotted for aggregate marks scored in BE BTech. मतलब जिनका बहुत अच्छा परसेंटेज है BE या BTech में, they are having very high chances of getting called for interview and getting selected. रिमेनिंग 10%, देखो 85% तो आपका हो गया BE BTech प्लस रेलिवेंट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का. 10% मार्क्स विल बी अलॉटेड फॉर रेलिवेंट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एंड रिमेनिंग 15% विल बी फॉर इंटरव्यू. ठीक है, आई होप ईच एंड एवरीवन इज क्लियर. 75% इज द वेटेज फॉर BE BTech, 10% is weightage for your relevant work experience, and 15% is for your interview. चलो आगे चलते हैं. हाउ टू अप्लाई? You have to apply online, but here I want to tell you one more thing beta. Last date to apply is 15th of August 2021. तो 15 अगस्त से पहले पहले आप लोग अप्लाई कर लेंगे, जितना जल्दी हो सके आप लोग अप्लाई कर लो. लेट अस गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. हाँ, एप्लीकेशन फी देख लो बेटा. फॉर ट्रेनी इंजीनियर एप्लीकेशन फी इज 200 रुपीज. फॉर प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर एप्लीकेशन फी इज 500 रुपीज. नाउ हियर आई वांट टू टेल यू वन मोर थिंग. यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर बोथ पोस्ट. अगर आपके पास रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस है, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर बोथ ट्रेनी इंजीनियर एज वेल एज अ प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर. लुक एट हियर, क्लियरली दे हैव रिटन, कहीं पर लिखा होगा कि अगर आप दोनों पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपको इंडिविजुअली पे करना है. कहां पर है, एक बार देख लेते हैं. देखो, ये देखो लिखा है ना क्लियरली, कैंडिडेट्स अप्लाइंग फॉर बोथ प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर एंड ट्रेनी इंजीनियर पोस्ट आर रिक्वायर्ड टू रेमिट द फीस सेपरेटली फॉर ईच पोस्ट. ठीक है, और बाकी क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायरमेंट है एक बार ये देख लेते हैं बेटा. डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड आर 10th क्लास सर्टिफिकेट, है ना, मार्क्स कार्ड बेसिकली एज ए प्रूफ ऑफ डेट ऑफ बर्थ, 10th क्लास स्टैंडर्ड मार्क्स कार्ड एज ए प्रूफ ऑफ डेट ऑफ बर्थ, your BE BTech engineering degree certificate, all semester mark sheet basically, caste certificate, of course work experience certificate is required, and of course NOC is required, no objection certificate is required if you are working for some PSU government organization, right? Chalo, let us go to the last page. Is anything relevant there? These are the general instructions. The only thing which I want to tell you, candidates whose specialization mentioned in the degree certificate doesn't tally with the branch mentioned in the online application will not be considered for interview. तो बेटा अगर आपकी स्पेशलाइजेशन या ब्रांच मेंशन नहीं है तो आपको अप्लाई करने का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. So my friend, that's it from my side. Do subscribe this YouTube channel because I'm going to bring so many things for my Negi soldiers. चाहे वो जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस हैं या कुछ फ्री कोर्सेज हैं या कोई इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है, गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम है, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू कम. सो डू सब्सक्राइब और वो बेल आइकन दबा दो रे बाबा. थैंक यू सो मच, लव यू ऑल, टेक केयर.